Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today is an exciting day because we are starting the heater repair service. In this video, we will take you along on our journey to our home heater repair. Let's get started. When your heater manufacturer of requirement repair, finding a reliable repair service near you became essential. Heater repair service play a circular role in restoring comfort to your home and ensuring the efficient functionality of your heating system. In this article, we will explore the significance of heater repair near me, discuss the importance of professional repair service, and provide valuable tips for finding theoretical repair providers in your area. The importance of heater repair near me. Prompt response. Having a heater repair service near you ensure a quick response to heating emergencies, minimize discomfort during cold weather conditions. Conventional scheduling. Local repair services of conventional when it comes to scheduling appointment. They can often accommodate your preferred time and provide flexible solution to suit your need. Familiarity with local system repair service location near you and familiar with the heating system community used in your area. The experience with local system equipment them to disconnect and address specific issues more efficiently. The benefits of potential heater repair service. Expertise and knowledge. Professional repair technique profess the expertise and knowledge to diagnose and repair various heater problems accordingly. Their trainings ensure efficient solution and minimize the risk of further damage, safety and corrosion. Professional repair services promise safety, following industry standard and best practice. They have the necessary tools and experience to handle repair without promising your safety or that of your home. Quality repairs. Choosing a professional repair service ensure that repairs are performed to a high standard. Quality repair increase the longevity of your heating system, minimizing the needed for frequent repair in the future. Warranty protection. Many heating systems come with warranties that require professional repair for coverage. By hiring a reputable repair service, you can ensure that your warranty remains valid and protection you against unacceptable repair costs. Tips for finding reliable heater repair service. Research and review. Contact thought research online, read customer reviews, and check the reputation of repair service in your area. Pay attention to positive reviews, customer satisfaction ranging, and testimonial of guests, the reliability of their service providers. Credential and certification ensure that the repair service hold the necessary lineage, certification, and insurance. These conditionals demonstrate their commitment to professionalism and adheration to industry standards. Experience and track record look for repair service with extensive experience in the field. A long-standing track record indicated their ability to handle different type of heating system and diverse repair synchronous efficiently. 24 hours emergency service. Emergencies can happen at any time, including outside regular business hours. Consider repair service that offer 24 emergencies essential to address urgent heating issues promptly, transparency and picking. Seek repair service that provide transparent pricing and clear explanation of the repair process. And the service that give cargo estimate and the hidden charge. Recommendation: ask for recommendation from friends, family, or neighbors who have previously used heater repair service. Personal repair well can provide valuable insight and help you find reliable providers. Importance of regular heating maintenance. Regular maintenance is critical for the longevity and efficiently operation of your heating system. Consider scheduling annual maintenance check with a professional service provider to ensure that your heater is in optional condition. Maintenance can include tasks such as cleaning, inspection, filter replacement, and lubricants of moving part. When you heater requirement repair, finding a trustworthy service near you is essential for prompt and reliable solution. Professional repair service offer expertise, safety, encourage and long-term benefit of your heating system. By conducting thought research, considering credential and certification, and seeking recommendation, you can find a reputable heating repair service to address your need effectively. Remember, regular maintenance is to keep providing measures issue and maximizing of lifespan of your heater. Stay warm and comfortable with a probably functionality heating system, thanks to reliable repair service near you. And that concludes our video on 24 hours heater repair near me, heater repair service, and the guidance. We hope you find the information and advice shared today helpful. Remember to subscribe our channel for more informative content and updates. Stay warm and cozy, and we will see you the next video. Thank you.